Lenovo Tab M11 review the perfect balance of power and portability. Welcome to Reliable Review Lab. Today, we're diving into the Lenovo Tab M11, a sleek and affordable tablet that offers an impressive mix of features for everyday use. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Overview of the Lenovo Tab M11. The Lenovo Tab M11 comes with an 11-inch display boasting a crisp 1920 x 1200 resolution, delivering sharp visuals for streaming, gaming, or productivity. It's powered by the MediaTek Helio G88 Octa-Core processor, paired with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for apps, media, and files. Plus, the inclusion of an ambient light sensor automatically adjusts screen brightness, making it a great companion for both indoor and outdoor use. And the 10-hour battery life? Perfect for on-the-go users. Key features: display. The 1920 x 1200 resolution is vibrant and perfect for streaming videos or reading. Performance: the MediaTek Helio G88 ensures a lag-free experience for most everyday tasks. Storage: 128 GB SSD offers ample space, expandable via microSD. Battery life: a solid 10 hours of usage per charge keeps you productive all day. Build quality: the Luna Gray finish and included Folio Case give it a premium feel. Light sensor, automatic brightness adjustment for an optimal viewing experience. Pros: affordable price, great value for its features. Impressive display, sharp, clear, and perfect for multimedia. Long battery life, ideal for travel or extended use. Decent performance, handles day-to-day tasks with ease. Expandable storage, add more space with a microSD card. Bonus Folio Case included in the box, saving you extra costs. Cons: limited RAM, heavy multitasking might cause slowdowns. No 5G support, only Wi-Fi connectivity. Speaker quality could be better for audiophiles. Lacks stylus support, not ideal for note-taking or creative work. Who is it for? The Lenovo Tab M11 is perfect for students, casual users, or anyone seeking a reliable tablet for streaming, browsing, or light productivity. It's not designed for gamers or professionals who need advanced features, but it's a fantastic choice for its price range. Final verdict: at its price point, the Lenovo Tab M11 shines with its crisp display, solid performance, and long battery life. While it's not a powerhouse, it's a great option for everyday use, making it a smart investment for budget-conscious buyers. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Reliable Review Lab. Let me know in the comments, is the Lenovo Tab M11 on your wish list?